name is Chasabel Arcabaratan from Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. And today, I'm here to share a short talk about something that affects all of us and every single day, the choices we make. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever thought about how one small decision today could change your future tomorrow? Today, I would like to talk my topic about the impact of choices on our future. Every day, people make choices. Some are small, like how we use our time at work or what we do after a long day. Other choices are more important and need carefully thought, like studying for our future or deciding the right path in life. Even small choices can slowly shape our lives or who we become. I believe that choices we make today have a big impact on our future because they influence our habits, experiences, and decisions in our life stages. First, our daily action and habits plays an important role in shaping our future. Simple things like managing our time well, prioritizing our responsibilities, and staying focused on our goals can help us succeed in life. At first, these actions may seem small, but over time, they create a big difference. When a person practices discipline and responsibility, they become more prepared to face challenges in the future. According to Kahn and Dar 27, people often choose options that are tempting in the moment rather than those that are better for their future. This happens because people think they will have another chance to make the better choice later. Because of this thinking, they feel less guilty choosing the easier or more enjoyable option. Another study by Sala and other researchers in 2017 explains that the self-control also affects how people understand their choices. Sometimes people do not choose based on what they truly want, but instead based on rules, expectation, or a long-term goals. This means the self-control can influence both the decision we make and how we view those decisions. However, some people believe that our future is mostly determined by our life situation, such as financial problems or family difficulties. It is true that not everyone has the same opportunities and life can be harder for some people. But even in difficult situations, people can still make choices that help improve their lives. For example, they can continue studying, work hard, and remain determined to achieve their goals. In my opinion, choices still play a very important role in shaping our future. Even when life is challenging, the decision to keep going, to continue learning, and to work hard can slowly change a person's situation. Many students, like me, experience struggles while studying, but our determination helps us build a better future not only for ourselves, but also for our families. Our choices, both big and small, play a powerful role in shaping our future by making responsible decisions, practicing self-discipline, and staying focused on our goals. We can overcome difficulties and create a better life. Thank you and have a great day everyone.